goodness, that's a pain. Now I need to get this rod all the way through all 4 of these bearings. Not because there's going to be a rod all the way through these 4 bearings, but I do need them to be all lined up perfectly straight before I attach the 2 end ones. And that way, when I put the rod through here and the gear here with an offset thing and then a gear and then everything will be lined up straight. But first I have to get this right through, and these tolerances are really tight so it fits real snug. And these bearings swivel in this case so they're not necessarily lined up. Like I can actually tell this one is totally not lined up. Okay, maybe if I get this one off. I gotta be careful moving these things. I'll lose a finger. Alright. Maybe if I can get the middle 2 in, then I can slide the end ones on. Hey, yep. Alright. Can I even? Okay. Maybe if I go like this, I'll help get this one lined up. And then, come on. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful, that is. Alright, with any luck, this will go on without issue. Come on. Yeah, part way. Oh, there we go. Where exactly do I want this one? Oh, I gotta look at my drawings, but my CAD computer is on the fritz. I'm waiting for a replacement, which should be here pretty soon. Alright. But yeah, I kind of need to know how... I guess it doesn't... Okay. I need to make sure all those sprockets can fit between. Okay, there's a huge one here. And those get driven by one that comes through here with a thing here. Wait. A gear up here, and then another gear down here. Oh yeah, there's plenty of space. I had to sand these rods a bunch to get them to slide nice, but got them. Still nice and snug. Yeah. Oh crap, is that too tight? Nope, it's just, come on. Oh, it is too tight, isn't it? Okay. Trying to lock these 2 guys in place. And then drill some holes. Okay, there's one. Alright, I got 3 bolts in this side, 3 bolts in that side. This thing looks great. This one, however, is stiff. Because the hole here is just touching it. So I need to file off a bit of this up here. Well, that's fine. I mean, it's annoying, but I have to take these poles out anyway. Now that I have all these lined up, I don't have to have a bar that goes all the way through, so I don't have to worry about getting these back in. I only have bars that go from the outside to the middle there. That's it. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. This is the one I have to file. All right, filer, where'd you go? This is the one to the other side. Yep. You know, looking at all this rusty metal, I have got a hankering to do something. All right. Let's do the bottom first. All right, how's this looking? Wow, that is amazing. What the? This stuff is awesome. Jeez, I hope it's as awesome as it seems like it is right now. I guess we'll see how well it lasts, but man, oh, this is looking great. It feels really good too. Oh man, I'm impressed. Yeah, I hope this coating lasts, whatever it is. This stuff wasn't even that expensive. Awesome. I see a bit of wetness in some of the holes still, so I won't paint it yet. I was going to paint with a brush, but I think I'm just going to spray paint it. Oh, that is one fine looking robot part. Man, I didn't even want to touch it. It looks so good. Oh, so nice. That is looking gorgeous. I'm going to have to be super careful bolting the bearings onto there. I don't want to scratch my paint.